Hello students. So today we will discuss some properties of determinants, out of which one we have discussed in last term, that the sum of products of elements of a row, product of elements of a row and their cofactor, sum of products of elements of a row and their cofactors is equal to the value of determinant of A. Sum of products of elements of a row and their cofactors equals to determinant of A is not only correct for a row, but it is correct for any particular column also. Always remember. So if we write the second point as the sum of products of elements of a column in place of row, if we write column, then also it is correct, and we have used this also in previous sessions. We can write it in short as sigma Aij into Aij when I equals to 1, j equals to 1, 2, 3 equals to determinant of A, or I equals to 2 means when we use second row, j equals to 1, 2, 3 or I equals to 3 and j equals to 1, 2, 3. It means what? It means A11 into A11 plus A12 into A12 plus A13 into A13 from first and so on. Or if we take I equals to 1, 2, 3 and j equals to 1, then also it is correct. Or if we take I equals to 1, 2, 3 and j equals to 2, means this is column wise. Or if we take I equals to 1, 2, 3 and j equals to 3 only, then it is also correct. So let's discuss a question. So let's discuss a question of 4 cross 4 type. Question number 4D. To understand this property, A equals to given determinant of order 4 cross 4. First row 1, 2, minus 1, 3, 1, 2, minus 1, 3. Second row 2, 1, minus 2, 3. Third row 3, 2, minus 1, 1. Fourth row 0, minus 3, 1, 2. Okay, check it once. 1, 2, minus 1, 3, 2, 1, minus 2, 3, 3, 2, minus 1, 1, 0, minus 3, 1, 2. Now, if we expand it along column 1. So, first element of column is denoted by, we know that A11 and its cofactor plus A1, A, second row, first column. If we are using second column, we can use any column, any row. So if we are using first column, A11 into A11 plus A21 into cofactor of second row, first column, which is corresponds to 2, plus A31 means element of third row, first column into cofactor of third row, first column, plus A41 means element of fourth row, first column into cofactor of fourth row, first column. Now A11 we have observed that it is 1 into determinant obtained by deleting first row, first column. And one more thing, whenever there is cofactor, we have to multiply with, we have studied in last one, A11 means minus 1 to the power 11 into minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into M11 means minus 1 whole square, which is positive, into M11 means determinant. Which determinant? Obtained by deleting first row. 1 means first row and first column. So in A11 we will delete first row and first column. Then there will be a matrix, then there will be a determinant of order 3 cross 3. So we write it 1 minus 2 3, 2 minus 1 1, minus 3 1 2. Okay. Then we write plus A21. Now this A21 must be negative. Why? When we write A21 cofactor, if you first write A21 means element of second row, first column, it is 2 into minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1. This cube or negative, cube of a negative minus 1 will be negative, into determinant obtained by deleting 2 1 means second row and first column. So it will be also the determinant of order 3 cross 3. So we write 2 minus 1 3, 2 minus 1 1, minus 3 1 2. Then we write the third element. This is only the rough work. So plus A31 means element of third row, first column, into the determinant obtained by deleting third row, first column, third row, first column. So if we delete third row, that is this row, 3 2 minus 1 1, and first column, that is this column, 1 2 3 0. So we get 2 minus 1 3 as the first row. We have deleted third row, first column. So 1 minus 2 3. Always check before writing. Third row, first column. Again it is minus 3 1 2. Check once. A31 means we have to first multiply. I have this time not written minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1, as you must have understood that it will be positive only, as 3 plus 1 equals to 4. We have to add the sum of these suffixes. 3 plus 1 4. So minus 1 to the power 4 is positive only, and then the determinant obtained by deleting third row, first column, that is 2 minus 1 3, 1 minus 2 3, minus 3 1 2. Now the next element is 4 1 means 0, and 0 into something we know that is 0, but still I am discussing it to be understood by you so that you can understand it. First row, fourth row and first column. So all the elements 2 minus 1 3, 1 minus 2 3, and finally 2 minus 1 1. If we delete fourth row, first column, you can check 2 minus 1 3, 1 minus 2 3, 2 minus 1 1. Okay. So now we have to expand this 3 cross 3 determinant also with the same method. Or you can do one more thing. 1 into you write delta 1. Okay. And assume this sum as delta only. We have to find delta, which is 1 into delta 1. And this now becomes 2 into minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 is minus 1 whole cube, which is minus. So minus 2 into delta 2. Next is plus 3 into delta 3. Next is 0. Means we have to find 3. Delta 1 is, this first determinant is delta 1. So we write it 1 minus 2, 3, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 3, 1, 2. So it is equal to 1 into, again 1 into, if we expand it along first row or first column or second row or second column, there will be no problem. We have already discussed. So if we are discussing it along the first row. So 1 into determinant obtained by deleting first row, first column, minus 1, 1, 1, 2. And then the second element is minus 2. Second element is minus 2. So first it will be minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2. So minus of minus 2. You can learn it as first in first row plus minus plus will be there alternative. So minus 2 into determinant obtained by deleting second first row and second column 1 2. First row, second column. So it is 2 minus 3, 1, 2. Similarly, in this also we have written wrong. So make correction in this as we are. No, it is correct. 2, 1 minus 8. Okay, now it is correct. In first row, wait. Let's discuss it again. If we write the first element of first row 1, means we have to multiply with the determinant obtained by deleting first row, first column, which was correct. Okay, then minus, as we have discussed, plus, minus, plus. Alternately, first one will be positive, next is negative. So if we now write the second element, minus 2, first this negative is due to the sign of cofactor, it will be negative. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 means minus 1 whole cube is negative. Minus 2 into the determinant obtained by deleting first row, second column. So it is 2 minus 3, 1, 2. Then next plus 3 into determinant obtained by deleting first row, third column. Means the row and the column of that element which is written outside the determinant will be deleted. And then we write the resultant determinant, which is called cofactor. Actually, it is minor. If we multiply it with minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1, that is minus 1 to the power 4, it is cofactor. You can watch the previous video to understand this. Equals to 1 into 2 minus 1. We know that we multiply it in this way. Minus minus plus 2 into 2 2s are 4 minus minus 3 is plus 3 plus 3 into 2 minus minus 3 is 2 plus 3. So it is 1 into 1 plus 2 7s are 14 plus 3 5s are 15 equals to 30. So value of this delta 1 we have obtained, it is 30. Now find the value of delta 2. Delta 2 is the second determinant, this one. So we have to now find its value 2 minus 1 3, 2 minus 1 1, minus 3 1 2 equals to 2 into, write the determinant obtained by deleting first row first column, minus 1 1 1 2 minus of, so it is minus 1 into determinant obtained by deleting first row second column, 2 minus 3 1 2, then plus 3 into determinant obtained by deleting first row third column, that is 2 minus 1 minus 3 1. So now we find its value equals to 2 into minus 2 minus 1, minus minus plus, 2 2s are 4, minus minus 3, that is plus 3, plus 3 into 2 minus minus 3 into minus 1 3. So it is 2 into minus 3 minus 6 plus 7 minus 3 minus 9 plus 7, it is minus 2. I think you all must have understood till now. If you have any doubt, then you can write in comment box. Delta 3 means value of this determinant 2 minus 1 3. It is 2 minus 1 3 delta 3. One minus 2 3. Next minus 3 1 2 equals to, then we expand it with the same one first row along the first row, 2 into determinant obtained by deleting first row first column, that is minus 2 3 1 2. You can draw them with pencil and rub again and again if you have some confusion. Minus 1 into determinant obtained by deleting first row second column, so 1 minus 3 3 2, then plus 3 into determinant obtained by deleting first row third column, that is 1 minus 2 minus 3 1. So it is equal to then 2 into minus 4 minus 3 minus minus plus 1 into 2 minus minus 9, so it is plus 9, plus 3 into 1 minus 6, which is equal to 2 into minus 7 plus 1 into 11 plus 3 into minus 5, that is minus 14 plus 11 minus 15, minus 29 plus 11 is, minus 29 plus 11 is 18. 18. So now we will use these values to find the value of determinant of A, to which we have denoted as delta. So we write determinant of A or delta, you can write anything, equals to 1 into delta 1. Delta 1 we have obtained as 30. Okay, so we write 30. Then minus 2. Okay, minus 2 into delta 2 is minus 2 again, then delta 3. So 3 into delta 3, okay. So we write plus 3 into, and delta 3 was 18. And next is already 0. 0 into something 0, as fourth element is 0 only for this column. This is the reason why I have taken this column, as it has one 0. So we have to expand one determinant less of 3 cross 3. So 30 minus minus plus 4 plus 54, which is equal to 88, is the answer of this question. Hope you all must have understood this. How to solve the determinant of order 4 cross 4. We have used this property only. In one, I have used this property for along the column. So we can expand either along the column or along the row. The result will be same. In this, I have expanded along the column and the answer is 88. The 4 for 4 and 3 cross 3 I have expanded along the row. You can check it by using any other method, whether it is giving the same answer or not. Ending the session now.